the right is where the eagles are, and on the left is where Teddy, the Swainson's hawk, and Spirit, the great gray owl, live. So here we have the great gray, and this is Teddy. So now I have to unlock another door. So this is Teddy. Let's see. Hey there. Try to get with the sun. Hi. Did you eat all your mice? I don't see any. Oh, hang on for just a minute. I have to go retrieve a mouse. This is a jumbo mouse. This is like 85 cents. And we don't want to waste it. Hang on. I'm sorry, Ted. Teddy didn't like me doing that. Oh, here's another one. This is a 75 center. Here we go. Food is our biggest expense. Last year, when we didn't have very many barn owls, only about 35, our food bill, and a lot of other birds, 1,000 other birds actually, our food bill was only $63,000. The year before, when we had 435 baby barn owls, it was 103,000. Hi, Ted. What you doing? Huh? Are you going to come over and talk to me? While Teddy's deciding what he wants to do, we will go see if we can find Spirit. Now, she's probably going to come and land right up there. But right now, she's in the back. She's on a little perch. And let's see. There we go. Whoop, sorry. That is a great gray owl. Now, try to. I'm not very good at zooming. She only has one eye. In 2002, she was hit by a car up on the freeway, and it's pretty amazing that she actually survived, but she lost her eye, or at least it was damaged so badly that the vet had to remove the eye. And I don't know if you could, well, you probably couldn't hear anything, but neither could I. Owls fly silently. They hunt primarily with their hearing, and that flat facial disc that you can see, that, birds don't have earlobes because earlobes are not aerodynamic. That flat facial disc funnels the sound to their ears, and their ears are not the same. They're asymmetric. They're not the same on both sides of their head like ours. So because they're at different elevations, they can triangulate. So this is an owl that has such acute hearing that she can hear if she were up. They live up in the mountains, and if she was up there, she would, sorry, I missed that. She would be able to hear voles walking around under the snow, and she would be able to catch those voles by diving down and grabbing through the snow with her feet first, and catch those voles. So because they use their hearing to locate prey, ooh, Teddy's got his mouse. Yum, yum. Because they use their hearing to locate prey, owls have to fly silently. They have to get within 50 feet or so to be able to hear that rodent, either walking under the snow or through the grass. And then they also need to be quiet so that the rodent doesn't hear them coming. Oh, Teddy, you dropped your mouse. So, owl feathers are totally different from the hawk's. The hawk feather is designed for speed and makes a lot of noise. They don't worry so much about the noise because they just get there fast. Owls, in general, fly slower, but very quietly, so they can sneak up on their prey. Okay, so we'll let Spirit go back to her nap, because after all, she's nocturnal and was sleeping until I woke her up. Hi, Ted. Yep, you dropped your mouse.